Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download vacancy rate research with Rentometer, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Rentometer website. Locate the search bar on the home page. Enter the property address for which you want to research the vacancy rate. Specify the desired rental amount and property type. Click on the search button to generate results. Review the results displayed on the screen. Scroll down to find the vacancy rate section. Take note of the vacancy rate percentage provided. If you need more detailed information, look for additional resources available on the site. Consider signing up for a Rentometer account for access to comprehensive reports. Navigate to the Downloads or Reports section if applicable. Select the option to download your vacancy rate research. Choose the desired file format, whether PDF, CSV, or another option. Confirm your download request. Locate the downloaded file in your device's download folder. Open the file to view the detailed vacancy rate research. Analyze the information displayed to make informed decisions about your rental property. Remember to check back regularly for updates on vacancy rates. Utilize this data for better property investment strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.